Hello children, welcome to online class. Children, in my previous video I have discussed lesson 1 my family. Okay, now in this video I am going to explain you lesson 2 my school. Okay, before going to start this lesson I would like to take a small or a short revision of lesson 1. In your lesson 1 what was given? Lesson 1 my family. I will take very short explanation of this lesson 1. Okay, my family. With the help of this name we can easily understand that the lesson is all about the family. Family plays very important role in a child's life, or you can say family plays very important role in everyone's life. Family is important for all of us. It is a family who tells us what is good and what is bad. Family is divided in two parts. One is nuclear family and another is joint family. There are two types of families. One is nuclear family and another is joint family. Now children, this nuclear family is again divided in two parts. Small family and big family. Okay. In a small family, parents live with their one or two children. Okay. Means in a small family there are maximum 4 members. Okay. And in nuclear big family there are more than 2 children. Parents live with their more than 2 children, means mother, father, and having more than 2 children, that is 2 sons or 2 daughters, maybe 1 son or 1 daughter. Okay. So in nuclear big family there are more than 2 children living with the parents, and there can be grandparents also. Now we will see joint family. Joint family is group of members. There are so many people like our grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt's children, and we all brother and sisters, we all live together in the same family. We all are the member of family. Okay. Our family may be big or small, or we can live in a joint family also. Family plays very important role in our life. Our grandparents, they work very hard for us. They teach us the good things and bad things. They help us in our growing. They help us in a child's bright future, or they tells the child what is important for their life, how to study, how to behave. Grandparents tells us stories. They take us to the garden and they plays with us. Our father earns money for the family. He goes to office to make us feel comfortable. Our mother, she cooks food for us, she washes our clothes, sometimes she plays also with us, she helps in doing the homework. Some mothers are working also. Okay, so now in my family there are some points which you have to keep in mind for to how to respect your family. See here, you should wish your elders good morning and good night. Do not disobey or be rude with them or with your elders. Take care of the family members who is unwell. Do not be rude to your brothers or sisters, and help everyone at home. Okay, all of you help everyone at your home. Now I will begin with lesson 2. Children, before going to start watching the video, you all have to sit with the textbook and get ready with pencil. Okay, so that if I tell you to underline the words, you can easily underline it. Now see here, it is your environmental studies book. This subject is environmental studies class 2nd. Environmental study, in short, it is called EVS. What it is called? EVS. Now see here, it is your book and I am going to start lesson 2, my school. Open your book, page number 9. Page number 9 you have to open in your book. Now first I will start reading. With the help of reading, you will understand how to read. Okay. So you also have to read with me so that you can improve your reading. Okay, children. Now let's start. All of you see in your book and you also read with me. We all go to school to learn and play. We study in the classroom. Our teachers teach us to read and write. They tell us stories, play games and sing songs with us. It is fun to play, learn, sing, dance and do many other activities together. We all pray in the morning. We sit and study in our classroom. Our school has many classrooms. We attend the school function in our school hall. We learn music in music room. We read story books in library. We play in the playground with our friends. Now, people who work at school. There are many people who work in our school. Turn your page, children, page number 10. Okay. Principal. Principal is the head of a school. He or she looks after the working of the whole school. He or she sits in a special office. He or she guides teachers and students. Now, teacher. Our teachers teach us different subjects. They make us to learn, read, write, draw and color. Driver. The driver drives the school bus. Sweeper. The sweeper cleans the classrooms and toilets. Librarian. Librarian is the in charge of the library. He or she issues books to us. Watchman. The watchman guards the school. Gardener. The gardener looks after the garden in the school. Now, celebrations at school. We celebrate some important days in our school. See next page, page number 11. National festivals. We celebrate 3 national festivals in our school. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti with great respect and happiness. Sports Day. On the sports day, we take part in sports events. Prizes and medals are given to the winners. Annual Day. We have many music and dance programs on the annual day. Prizes are given to the intelligent students by the chief guest. Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on September 5 every year. We greet and thank our teachers on this day. Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on November 14. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Good manners in school. Our good manners show that we care for others. Let's learn some good manners we should follow in school. Always respect our teachers. Always sit quietly in the class. Now see the next page. Turn your page. Page number 12. Page number 12. Always throw garbage in the dustbin. Always wish the teacher. Always be polite to all children and teachers. Now children, the reading part is over. After finishing reading, I would like to give you the difficult words on the board. I will write the difficult words on the board and you have to underline it with the help of pencil. Okay. Don't write in your notebook. You have to just underline it. Okay. So that you can learn these spellings. Okay. Okay. Now children, see here I have written 46 spellings on the board. these spellings are difficult for you. Okay, so you have to underline all these spellings. I am going to read all the spellings one by one. All of you get ready with your pencil and just underline it in your book. Okay, see here. Number 1, classroom. CLASSROOM, room. Classroom. Number 2, teachers. TEACHERS, teachers. Underline it. Number 3, activities. ACTIVITIES, activities. Number 4, together. TOGETHER, together. Number 5, morning. MORNING, morning. Number 6, function. FUNCTION, function. Number 7, library. LIBRARY, library. Number 8, playground. Number 8, playground. PLAYGROUND, playground. Number 9, principal. PRINCIPAL, principal. Number 10, working. WORKING, working. Number 11, special office. SPECIAL, special. OFFICE, office. Number 12, guides. GUIDES, guides. Number 13, students. STUDENTS, students. Number 14, different. DIFFERENT, different. Number 15, subjects. SUBJECTS, subjects. Number 16, driver. DRIVER, driver. Number 17, sweeper. SWEEPER, sweeper. Number 18, toilets. TOILETS, toilets. Number 19, librarian. LIBRARIAN, librarian. Number 20, in charge. INCHARGE, in charge. Number 21, issues. ISSUES, issues. Children, keep on underlining. Okay, you have to underline all these words in your book and you have to learn it. Okay, आपको सिर्फ लर्न करना है, लिखना नहीं है कॉपी में. Don't write in your copy. Just underline it in your book and learn it. 22, watchman. WATCHMAN, watchman. 23, guards. GUARDS, guards. 24, gardener. GARDENER, gardener. 25, CELEBRATIONS, celebrations. 26, national festivals. NATIONAL, national. FESTIVALS, festivals. Number 27, Independence Day. INDEPENDENCE, Independence Day. Number 28, Republic Day. REPUBLIC, Republic Day. 29, Gandhi Jayanti. GANDHI, Gandhi. JAYANTI, Jayanti. Number 30, great. GREAT, great. Number 31, respect. RESPECT, respect. Number 32, happiness. HAPPINESS, happiness. Number 33, sports day. SPORTS, sports day. Number 34, events. EVENTS, events. Number 35, prizes. PRIZES, prizes. Number 36, medals. MEDALS, medals. Number 37, winners. WINNERS, winners. Number 38, annual day. ANNUAL, annual, DAY, day. 39, programs. PROGRAMMES, programs. Number 40, intelligent. INTELLIGENT, intelligent. Okay. Now see here. 41, CHIEF, chief. Number 42, GUEST, guest. 43, celebrate. CELEBRATE, celebrate. Number 44, greet. GREET, greet. Number 45, manners. MANNERS, manners. And number 46, QUIETLY, quietly. Now children, these 46 words you have to underline it. Suppose in case you are left और आप पीछे रह गए अगर आप अंडरलाइन करते टाइम, तो यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो, ओके, और पीछे फिर से बैक होके आप उसको अंडरलाइन कर सकते हैं, ओके. सो अंडरलाइन दीज वर्ड्स, these 46 words. Now I am going to explain you the lesson.